Hello guys, I am back with brand new video. Today I will be showing you the most perfect way to make your old PC faster. If you are using Windows 7, then you can watch the full video so that you can make your PC fast as well. Before all of that, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can learn programming, blogging, online earning and many more tips and tricks regularly. So without any delay, let's get into today's video. For this method, you have to go in search bar and type power option. After you get your search result, hit enter and get into power options. After you get into power option, your setting will be in balance recommended, but we have to choose it and set it to high performance. High performance will allow our computer to perform tasks very faster and our computer will become fast. In this method, we will be deleting our temporary file. Go in search bar and type %temp% and hit enter. And this will load up all the temporary useless files which are not useful on your computer and which are making your computer hang. Select all the files and delete it. This will bring a vast change in your computer speed. You can notice that after doing this. For this method, you have to go in search bar in start menu and type run. And we have to open here a folder. The name is preface. It will ask administrator permission. Click on continue, which will load all the useless files which are responsible for making our computer slow. Select all the files and delete it, which will increase the overall performance speed of your computer. After deleting all the temporary and useless file, your recycle bin will contain much more folders and files. Now you have to clean it. Go to recycle bin and select all the files and delete it. It may take some time. Wait until the process is complete. This will increase the overall performance speed of your computer. Next way is setting up your desktop theme to classic. This will make your computer a lot of faster, but you won't like this theme because it looks unusual on any computer, but this will definitely makes your computer faster. For this method, go and right click on your computer and go to properties and then go to advanced settings. Click on performance setting and then you have to change the visual effect and set it to adjust for best performance, or you can even make your one custom visual effect and then again go to advanced, and here we have to change some virtual memory. Click on change and uncheck automatically manage packaging file size for all drive and click on custom size. Now we have to set some MB here. You can set age like me in the video or you can add yourself. It depends on what purpose you use your computer. And after all, this may ask you a restart permission. You can give a permission to restart it if it asks.